a huge transformation in terms of revenue reorganization, especially with the changing face of the world. Specifics to financial services. Revenue enhancement is going to be a major thrust. How do we change the revenues generation, scope for improvement in the revenue with the changing face of the business model? HSBC, DBS, Deutsche Bank, Standard Chartered, Lloyds Bank, Emirates NBD, Mashreq Bank, First Gulf Abu Dhabi Bank, National Bank of Kuwait are all changing their business model. To start with HSBC, interest rates worldwide now rock bottom and even turning negative. The bank is struggling to charge more for loan to borrowers than it pays out to depositors, and it warned net interest income would remain under huge pressure. This year, net interest income is going to be under pressure for all the institutions. The bank is signaling it may go further and start charging for much more basic products such as standard current accounts. Again, account maintenance is costlier. It will also look at how it can bring more fee income from corporate customers, having done well to help the client to raise the money through bond and equity financing during the COVID-19 crisis. That's HSBC. When it comes to DBS, the profit rises in India for DBS, and they have infuses nearly 150 million for the year 2020. The bank infused capital last fiscal and after converting the wholly owned subsidiary. So from a branch it has gone to wholly owned subsidiary, strengthening the customer relationship and expanded our footprints in the country through which a new phygital strategy, physical as well as digital. Now they have acquired this Karur Vysya Bank. In Singapore market, DBS can still grow its market share even as the banking landscape is set for a shake-up. Entry of 4 new digital banks. Digital banks license have been given by many regulators. Revenues in Singapore have grown in high single digits, increasing the market share in growing markets. Rising default and ultra low interest rates are challenges in global market. And when it comes to Deutsche Bank, in August 2020, Deutsche Bank announced a capital infusion of nearly 2,700 crores in India for expansion across the various segments. The second time in the last 2 years that the bank has infused money into local operations, consisting of nearly 17 branches after 3,800 crores in the investment in early 2019. Invest capital is in growing markets where their business is growing. That's what Deutsche Bank has done. Internal restructuring, small corporates previously under retail, now serviced among corporates with one combined safe sales force. So they are combining the corporate and SME, which is the right order. Deutsche Bank emphasis on transaction banking to boost revenues. When it comes to Standard Chartered, affluent clients to navigate COVID crisis with the right investments. Again, private banking, investment management, assist the clients in their reorganization of their business model, and corporate banking and cost control is emphasized. Lloyds Bank UK, mortgage lender, has emphasized on mortgage lending where demand has picked. And Barclays Bank delivering a single corporate banking platform to new countries. Better service for customers including MNC banking needs across multiple European locations. Delivering payment technology, that's very important. Technology convergence is playing a big role, and basically they are making sure significantly giving payment solution for the next few years. Emirates NBD in UAE proactively reach out to customer base, and support now has been provided to customers. They have waived certain fees to help the individuals. Now they are considering alternative fees. It in order to support them for the overall value addition, value added services. Retail, whole customers acquired through COVID-19 scenario provided new offerings. Mashrak Bank, non-interest income to operating income ratio is increased. Fee income, they are concentrating. Growth in investment income, geographies and investment limits to be reviewed on account of the diplomatic breakthrough. Acceleration of the volumes. First, Abu Dhabi Bank also has done higher fee income, performance-based guarantees, execution of landmark deals, strong client management. NBK is an active player for mid-corporate segments, serving nearly 75% of the foreign corporations in Kuwait segments. Multinational companies they are targeting, sustaining market share in trade finance, differentiated services, achieving low-cost funds among the banks, targeting private banking, cross-selling. All these are various methods, but around the world, the banks have looked at enhancing the fee income, enhancing the cross-selling.